What's going on, guys? It's Michael Gascon, and we're back with Tarzan, and we're working on how to build your lead change. And the first exercise that I'm going to show you guys, of course, at this point, before we even think or it crosses our mind about a lead change, we will want to have gone through the respect series. The horse is already cantering off. You have a nice lead departure in both directions. And now we're starting to think about that lead change. The first exercise that I'm going to do for that is get a half pass. And I'm going to start somewhere enclosed around pen and arena. I like to have a fence. And basically a half pass is simply pushing our hip to the inside while his face is to the inside. So I'm going to take my horse here. And I'm going to put him on the rail. And if your horse already side passes, that's beneficial.